I love Chevys. I always stay with Chevy. They're the best. When I was about 6 or 7 years old, my parents actually got me this Stingray model, and I took so much care in putting this together, and I had it for years. I have been a fan of Corvettes since 6 or 7 years old, and always wanted one, but just never went through until now. It's just a beautiful car. I'm not the kind of person to let a beautiful car like that sit in a garage, and just drive it on the weekends. No, I'm going to use the car. I had my Z28 for 15 years. Never a lick of trouble. I never had a problem with it. I took it in for oil changes and never had a problem with it. And I'm tough on cars. I definitely do the acid check to, I'm taking corners, and obviously, the back tires wear out faster than the front ones. Wouldn't have anything to do with me putting my foot into it. So, sports cars are all I've owned throughout my entire life, and they've always been Chevy. It's been excellent. I've brought other cars here for service, and they've done an excellent job. They treated me well. Honesty is very important to me. I just don't tolerate anything but honesty. I mean, I can handle the truth all day long, but as soon as I see that, someone's being dishonest, that's it. There are no chances. I'm done. So that's why, they always give it to me straight, and that's why I'm back here.